Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be doing a ribbon swipe. I've done a couple of these now and quite enjoying them. I found these two colours that I've had left over and I thought, let's try using them up. So this was Liquitex Aqua Bright Green, and this one is just one I've scraped up off my drippings, and it's like a sandy colour. So I'm feeling a bit of a beachy vibe, and I'm also wondering, do I want this quite pale, like a real soft type of pour, or do I want some brighter pops of colour? So I've been going through, all my leftovers, finding some gold, some sand, some light colours. I've got like some darker green here, or some like Prussian phthalo blue type colour there. Yeah, trying to decide. I think this one might be a mint green, which I think could look quite good. And this is a cream, and then I've got like just white. So here's a pink one as well, which could look cool. So I'm going to work out my colours and then we'll get started. Okay, I've chosen my colours here. I've got Amsterdam Light Gold. I've got Amsterdam Titanium White. This is the colour that I've scraped off of the, scraps basically. I have no idea what this colour is. This could be scraps as well. This one here is Mint Green by Montmartre. Then I've got Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. And this last one here is Harbour Blue by Dorado de Polo. I've also got a little bit of iridescent white, which I haven't decided if I'm going to use. But I've got these three cups here, and I'm going to start off with some white. And like I said, I want a beach feel, but I also want it very abstract. So I'm going to go with a sandy cup, so I might start with that. And this is that sandy colour. It's like a pinky sandy, I don't know, pinky sandy colour. And then I'm going to put my gold in this base. Ooh, I just dropped that in. That was a big dirty pour. And some white again. So I might just dirty pour this cup. Or should we go down the side? No, let's just dirty pour it. Let's just mix it up. See what happens. Maybe I'll get more cells that way. Alright, I don't want to use up all my white yet. So I want white in here. So this one, I will go a little bit of gold. Some white. Some of this mint green. It's quite pretty. And this is like a bluey, more pastel-y colour. Some white. Use a bit of this. Bit of the gold. No, I'm going to save some of these colours. Let's start filling up the next cup. I want to see how much of these colours I have left. Mint, some white. Like I said, I want a bit of paleness, but I'm going to add a little bit of this. And this one's going to be all greens, but I want to keep a bit of my gold because I might strategically put some colours down as well. Alright, they are my cups. So basically I've just done like a dirty pour and then, just poured it straight in, no layering, but I've done specific colours going from a sandy colour to a light pale green, which will be going through the middle, and then my darkest colour. I may keep a little bit in each cup. Just going to give it a slight mix. to blend through, possibly. I might use that same stirrer for this one because it's mostly the same colours. Alright, let's have a go at this. I didn't add any of my iridescent white. I actually wanted to put that one through here, so I'm just going to squeeze a bit through there. Okay, shall I start? I might start. No, I'm going to start. Always making decisions on the fly. I'm going to start in this corner. Just tilt this that way a bit. And I'm going to go this way. Right, let's keep a little bit again. There's not much, but I may like fill up the cups a bit. Shall I put? No, let's go. Just going to get some of those lighter colours. Gold. A little bit of this one. Give it a stir. And pour from the other direction. Nice. All right, let's torch that. Didn't really get much in the way of lacing, but we're going to create that now. And get some of this gold going through and up through the top as well. Let me get my white swipe mix. Okay, so I was just making up my swipe mix because I hadn't made it yet. So this is just been sitting for a little bit, and I've turned my cups upside down just to drain them, get all that paint out. I'm not sure if I've got quite enough paint on here, but I have got more in my cups, so I might just pour a bit of that out. And this one up here. Like, should I really just like mix it up again, pour it that way? Maybe. Dip it upside down again. So I'm probably only going to want to do 2 swipes. want to swipe through the sand here. So I'm thinking of going up maybe through there. Let's have a look. Or, ooh, because I like some of that, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Fresh swipe mix. Does that mean I'm going to get good lacing? That's the question. Gonna add a little bit of gold to that might drag through. A little bit of iridescent white, tiny bit. Here we go. Okay, it's my first swipe. Now I've got lots of iridescent white here. I quite like this colouring through here. I'm going to come from here. But I want to take a bit of lighter colour through. All right, let's give this a whirl. I lifted up a bit, funny there. I said I was going to do 2. I'm just looking at this. I mean, this is beautiful, but do I want to swipe there? Just going to finger swipe this. Do love that blend there, is beautiful. So I'm just going to finger swipe this. I love those streaks through there. I think I'm going to leave it. Because I've got to remember with this one that I am actually going over the edge. Alright, I think I'm ready. I think I'm going to go off the sandy edge first if I can. Okay. I am going to bring back some of this way. This ribbon effect through here is really pretty. Didn't end up with any gold through the top. I could take some through, but I don't think I'm going to. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And it probably ended up a bit darker than I was intending, but I do love this blend through here. I've also got the mint green going all the way through here, which is a metallic. So I think that's going to look quite pretty. Soft here. And then we've got the lacing with a bit of gold going through the sandy sort of area. And then this lacing up here with a couple of little blended bits through the top. I can see a little bit of flocking with that dark colour. It is a different brand and it is a bit different, so we'll see how it dries. But yeah, I'll bring you back then. Okay, here is the dry result. I'm just going to give it a little tilt so you can see the shine through the metallic. It's not a huge shine, but it is there. This is the flocking. So it's very mild, although it is through here as well, I can see now. So yeah, that brand is a little bit of an issue. Oh no, I've just found a bug. A little mosquito, a mozzie or something. Okay, so a few little problems with this one. The other problem is looks like I've dunked it somewhere accidentally in the sandy colour paint. Yeah, we all make mistakes, especially me. So never mind. Oh dear, the gold's pretty. And I love this blend. So this actually was something quite different, and I like it, so I would like to sort of try and get that effect again in other paintings. Yeah. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.